YouTube, what is up? I want to say thank you for the 200 subscribers. And in light of that, I'm going to be hosting a live stream on the 27th of March. So if that's something you're interested in, I want you to mark your calendars and stay tuned for the premiere of when that live stream is going to launch. In the live stream, what I would like to do is edit some of the subscriber photos. So if you have a photo that you would like to see edited, send it to freewillphotos@gmail.com and I will send you an email back letting you know if I'm going to edit your photo. So, and I'm not going to use your image in any way outside of the live stream, so you don't have to worry about copyright infringements or me just trying to steal your intellectual work. I'm not going to do that. That's not what I stand for. And so you can rest assured that I will edit the photo. Now, if I don't get any photos, what I'm going to be doing is building a composite inside of On1 Photo Raw, teaching you how to use the tools that On1 comes with, and then how you can do a few extra things if you have some plugins. So I hope you guys are excited. In the comment section below, I just want you to list out some of the things that you would like to see in upcoming live streams. So that way I have those, I can build them, and then for the live stream that I do in April, you guys are truly going to be a part of this community where you tell me what you want to see, and if I can do it, then I will provide it. So until next time, I want you guys to stay inspired and keep creating.